We are at the pond.
You know Ali? Ali? Oh! Look!
It means go.
No, Ali is over there. And Aki means here.
Okay, I'm gonna start walking team.
Wow,
That's a good lesson for you. Wait, can you get my shirt?
Oh, come on, man! You left that ball over here?
It smells bad.
No, I just wanna go
Muito pedido.
Muito pedido.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah, for sure.
What's up? You good?
I'm waiting for him. We gotta put shirt on.
We'll catch up, alright? Catch up.
I just wanna go swimming. I don't need. Oh, and get your towel.
Take your stuff on, man. You gotta put your shirt on.
Come on, my little guy. Is that someone's shirt or sock?
A chave do carro.
It's in his backpack. The keys for the car. Tá dentro do carro. Tá bem atrás ali, ó, no último. It's in the last thing.
Somebody stop.
Just leave it.
Bring it. You gonna watch it?
Yeah, bring the trash.
That's trash. You might as well trash it.
Yeah.
Leave it. You leave trash behind, man. Who are you? Look, another can. Trash right there.
Oh my god, I can go forever.
Papers,
Yesterday, I
fucking
filled my
kids.
backpack when I was mountain biking. I filled it with all the cans got shot with a gun, too.
He told me
They're sharp,
to
dude.
bring a bag so we can put in the bag.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way. Oh.
Yo, Neto, did you watch cartoons when you were a kid? Like Looney Tunes?
Yeah.
What kind of,
Woodpecker.
what company do they buy the bombs from? Do you remember?
What do you mean?
Where do the cartoons buy bombs from?
Bombs?
Look, is that Acme,
Oh, yeah.
right? That's weird.
I think it's...
Acme. Was Acme like bombs or something?
No idea, man. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nene. Watch.
Yeah, watch me dance. Hey, watch me sing. This is a nice sock. I could use this actually.
Do this for what?
Scavenging a beautiful white sock. This is whiter than any of the socks I ever owned.
I figure out one thing that's wrong with my videos.
What?
I'm the recorder. I shouldn't be talking.
Here, you can talk.
No, but I'm
Why
the
not?
recorder.
But you're a good friend, so you can talk.
That is no, but I noticed that videos
Can
when
you line it up to make it see my eyeball? I need your help a little bit though. You ready? Just pull it tight.
tight.
Yeah. Oh, I can see your. Okay, I see. I see your camera.
Yeah, I see the right there. It look like a veg,
eyeball?
dude. It look like a veg. It looks so weird. Yeah, I don't want to speak up with the kids, but that's what it looks like.
Forgot the sandals.
Oh,
Seriously?
there's so much trash here.
Seriously?
Ah,
Nobody would die.
damn, where's the other one? This is nice. There's some foot fungus on it though.
Hey Jake.
Run.
Hey Jake.
Jake.
How you doing, buddy?
Huh?
You holding up okay? Okay, let's go. What is everybody? Everybody's already ahead. Let's catch up to them. So I have enough time to record then.
Yeah, ready? Let's do a little jog.
You jog. I'll catch up. I got long legs. I'm like Bugs Bunny over here.
This way, Junior. I mean, this way. What are you doing? Are you swimming?
And you're right
You're
there.
hiding. Is anyone else over there?
DJ, what are you doing?
Oh, you saw me.
Let's go. You're wearing yellow. How can we not see you? You're wearing yellow.
I found him.
You're wearing yellow.
Wait, Madison.
Where is she?
Maddie! I bet she's behind a tree. Ah!
Come on, DJ.
It's fun.
Where she was, you were like, woo!
It's so fun.
Woo! You just tried taking your face.
Come on, DJ.
Oh, I missed.
Up in the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, playing kids for days for $10 an hour.
Ah.
Let me teach him a lesson.
Teach her a lesson. Come on.
Okay.
Teach her a lesson.
Better.
Look, a baby's binky.
Mama. Wait, can you
A binky. Pacifier.
Pacifier.
Yeah.
Pacifier.
take this?
It's like Star Wars.
Please.
This little boy like it.
Yeah, here, baby. Come here, baby. Hey, you forgot your binky.
No.
She's mad.
Mad.
Hey, no hitting, Jakey.
I know.
Use your words. If you get mad, use your words.
Don't use your words, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know what you gotta do when you're mad? You do like I do, man. You go down and do some push-ups. Do some push-ups, man, like I do. Get some muscles going for you.
That's a good idea.
That's what I do when I'm angry.
Alright, Jakey, no more. I don't think you want to say.
Jakey, jumping jets, bro. Jumping jets. You're hungry, you jumping jets.
Come on, what are you doing?
You do jumping jets when you're hungry, you know what I'm saying? When you're hungry, you eat. When you're angry, you do jumping jets.
Ow.
That wasn't me. It was him.
You know what you do? You walk it off, bro. All you gotta do, walk it off. Walk it off, mate.
I didn't actually see it now, but I was like,
I don't want to.
that's a good girl.
There's a bad word in this house. Now you gotta move the B word.
Jessé,
Ai.
filmezinho tá rolando aqui, hein, Jessé? Tá tudo em inglês aí, você vai ver esse negócio aqui, ó. Se quiser eu boto lá no YouTube pra você ver depois. Você quer que eu bote lá no YouTube pra gente ver? Então. Aí todo mundo pode ver você lá, né? Eu posso botar isso quando chegar lá em casa depois, ó. O que você acha? Tem as manhas? Botar lá em casa depois, quando chegar no YouTube?
Tá no YouTube vídeo?
É, botar quando chegar lá em casa, se quiser, ó, o vídeo.
Jakey and Jacob.
Hey, you want to play tag?
Oh! He's got that in the face.
First throw. No, my feet. No, I don't want them to get wet.
Maddie!
I'm handsome. I know it.
I'll throw this hard.
They handsome too.
That's pretty hot. Check out my high moves, bruh. Oh. Oh, you still recording?
I'm trying to go for about 25 minutes, maybe half an hour. I'm gonna put on the YouTube.
Really?
Yeah. That's only one thing though.
Praise God.
Yep. I got it on tape, dog.
A, B, C, E, G, F, 1, 2.
Why every single video that I must have, you gotta have the American flag in, huh? Look at that, American flag right there. USA. US and A. US and A.
Brasileiro! Hey Jake, get that can next to you. Look. Oh, you just grabbed my wiener. What are you doing? My goodness. TJ. You're such a weirdo. That's the second time, I think.
When I was coming down, I wanted to grab
America! Statue of Liberty!
Liberty.
one that off.
Statue of Liberty.
Trashy Liberty.
Next time, no.
It's so bad.
5 cents though. We get 5 cents, you know that? See right here?
Bro,
5 cents.
the water.
So I get money for this. Like, you know?
I know it.
Do you guys do that in Brazil? You do? Yeah. How much per can?
I'm breaking it.
We sell for kilogram. Per kilogram. I don't know now what we pay for 1 kilogram.
Oh, okay.
But maybe 5 reals.
Oh,
About
okay. Wow. What?
60.
Hey, I didn't do that,
I don't know.
I didn't do that to you.
What
Oh, okay.
A beer?
That's not even gonna be hard.
Can.
Cause I know how to do it hard.
16 can, maybe make it one
16 cans is 100 Rios?
oh no, yeah,
5 Rios.
1 kilogram.
Oh, you weigh it.
Yeah, wait,
Oh, okay, 1 kilogram of
60
cans.
cans, make it
Who did that? Who did that?
Oh. 1 kilogram.
Right in my throat.
Oh.
I hit you too.
We're gonna rewatch. We're gonna rewatch that many times.
I was aiming to get Junior. He hit me in the face with it. And that's not how you sound like a chicken.
That's not a that's a chicken. We can say kill 2 birds. We could be any bird we want. There's so many different kinds.
Come on.
Alright guys, let's roll. Come on. Come on. Jakey! I can't get mad at him. He's too cute.
One thing I knew I lost that ball.
Beautiful.
Come on, come up on shore like a seahorse would. Or a seal. Pull! Grab it in the sand. Pull! Pull! Now he's a US, he's a soldier.
When the winter is ice,
Ice. Yeah, you can go skate on it.
become ice.
He
Yeah.
just
You
tripped
can
me.
walk across.
Eh?
Yeah.
He
Really?
tripped me.
And then the snow goes on and you can snowshoe.
That's cool.
Or you can ice skate. We put a blade on our shoe. You've heard of ice skate, like in hockey? Yeah, we can do that here.
Hey. Hi. Hey. Look,
What do you say? Get your dinner. What's up with it?
Hi, boys.
Hey, boy.
You want to go for a swim?
You want to go for a swim?
Yeah, come on. Oh, this is a diving.
Wait, we gotta go. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, are we actually going to go
Yeah.
swimming?
No,
I
later.
was just swimming.
Guys,
Go to swim in the bathroom.
Yeah. In the toilet or the hot
Look
tub.
at this. Watch.
are you gonna use that? Because one girl needs it.
Have any more?
Who?
A girl.
She who? Maddie? Yeah, I'll bring it to her.
She seems to be cold. I see her. She's doing this. I'll bring it to her.
Go ahead, go ahead. Hey Maddie, here's your towel. It's good. Go ahead. Nah, you gotta dry it out. You don't wanna get hypothermia. You don't wanna get hypothermia.
I'm a man.
I'm a man.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
I'm a man.
And you can tell everybody
I forgot the other
this
part.
is your song.
Hey Maddie, dry yourself. Dry yourself real quick. Dry yourself real quick and give me back the towel.
Hey, can you hold these?
Yeah.
So I need to even my
I like dance
socks.
music. I like country. Yeah, I like banjos and violins.
I got it.
I guess I tried her. I'll let her.
Jazz, classical.
She'll use it when we get in the car.
Fine, give it to me.
I can carry some of that if you want.
It's fine. Let's go. What's up, buddy? Right behind you. What's up?
I really need ketchup. Do you think that? Because it's ketchup.
Ketchup, man. You need some ketchup? I got mayonnaise.
I want to ketchup to them.
Ketchup to them. Let's go. Get some ketchup to them. Come on.
Okay.
Verizon Wireless.
Is it okay?
Let's go.
Wait, actually.
What's up? Let's go. Hey. Let's go.
That's a big mushroom.
Yeah, it is a big mushroom. Maybe. Let's go.
Oh, look at they're all the way down.
Yeah, why are you slowing down?
Can you give me my shoes?
Need your shoes right here.
Yeah, but can you hold my socks?
Yeah, I have it. What is your socks? Give it to me. Go ahead.
Hold my towel.
Yep, right here, buddy. I'm like the freaking... Let's go.
Wait, can you run fast?
Yeah, I'll walk. I'm walking. It's alright, I got long legs.
Oh gosh. You think they're getting pretty far?
No, we make it.
Come on.
Let's go. I'll catch you. Come on.
Wait.
There you go. You gotta catch up to the group. I'm right behind you. Junior, I'm gonna get you. I'm get you.
I'm gonna get you.
Am I gonna get you?
I'm gonna get you.
Let's go, bro.
Go, man.
I'm going.
You're going as fast as you can?
I'm catching up. I'm waiting for little Jake to get ready.
Little Jake's so strong.
Good. Hey Jake, we're gonna be walking a long way if you're not gonna dry yourself up.
I don't want you to dry yourself off. You can swim another day, man. Here, you swim right here. That's why I can swim right there. Come on. Why? It's not that bad. You know, you should be grateful for the mud pits you have. We don't have them. Need a snack?
That actually looks like a beaver down there.
That's why. That's about to happen. They tear him down to make a nest. Okay, come this way. Carefully, poison ivy to go to the grass. Jake, you just went to poison ivy.
Where are you going?
Which trail can I?
Hey, I don't have my shoes, so I'm not that fast.
Where's the tire? It's right over
E
here.
aí, Dessé, gostou das crianças, Dessé?
Foi legal, o problema é acompanhar a conversa dele.
Você não tá entendendo o que o povo tá falando?
Ah, algumas palavras eu entendo, mas fala muito rápido, né?
Muito rápido.
É.
As crianças, né?
É. Não, ele quando fala que a gente fala até mais de boa, mas a criançada fala rápido.
A criançada quer aproveitar, né, cara? É. Aqui, ó, mostrar pro povo depois lá, ó, o que a gente foi fazer, né?
Mas isso é normal. No começo é assim mesmo, depois fica pior.
Pior? Você nada pra caramba, hein, Dessé? Eu quase que eu morri naquela água, olhando aquele laguinho.
Natação, mas eu tô meio que vergonha, né? Quando eu fazia natação, eu nadava aproximadamente, cheguei a nadar quase 4.000 metros. Só que não seguido, né?
O Júnior,
Nadava,
o Júnior gosta de nadar também.
Nadava piscina de 25 metros, ia umas 5 vezes, aí parava pra descansar, mais 5 chegava.
Yeah.
That's good, huh?
Very tricky. Tricky.
Very
Pretty.
I said hot to
Pretty.
Hey!
Lindo.
Ah,
Let's go.
You have the American flag. You should be at front.
Quase que não é louco, povo, né? Olha lá. Acabar com essa bateria, rapaz.
O que tem lá no carro? Recarrega de novo.
Bateria não, a memória.
É, bota no YouTube, depois deleta.
Ah. Quantos gigas que é seu cartão?
6.
6 gigas?
Uhum. Na verdade o cartão tem 64.
Ah, isso sim.
Eu comprei.
6 gigas
Não, 6 GB é celular.
Não,
já veio no
deve
celular.
ser 8, né?
Eu não sei, deve ser
Às
4,
vezes.
2.
Are you bleeding? You're okay, right?
Have dirt on me.
What's wrong, buddy?
Hurt your leg?
Turn into the rocks.
Wait, I need my stick. Wait, how about you turn into the tube?
Quero gravar uns 30 minutos pelo menos, porque aí quando eu chegar em casa é só modificar o vídeo.
He's
Fazer
went to the ground.
Alright, just walk a little slower. Hey, 5 cents.
More 5 cents, 10 cents.
10 cents now, yeah?
In the morning, I was solding
Soda? Collecting?
a lot of cans.
You collected. That's the word, collect. That means like you bring them in. Wait, let David Jr. open it. You have to open that. Come on.
You don't open it.
Guys, you twist it and then pick it up.
Come on.
You just twist it.
Oh!
Lift. With all your might. Lift. Come on. Harder.
Hi. Touchy, not cheese. That's butt cheek. Oh, look at this. There's a little hole. So this must be somebody's home. Cause look it.
That's not somebody's home. It's just an old pipe.
No, the pipe is going into that thing. So
That's like a water pipe, stupid.
you're stupid.
If I'm stupid, how did I figure that out?
A lot.
He's a kid, Junior. Kids are not stupid because they're learning.
Fine.
I'm gonna kill you.
Kids are only stupid if they don't want to learn. Then they're stupid.
exactly.
If they're learning, they're
I
not
have
stupid.
my staff of glory.
Let's go.
No more attacking. Because then you fall and get hurt. We don't want that again.
Not right now. Maybe at the water, at the pool.
Yeah, we fall into the pool.
How you doing, Gandalf?
No, Dad.
I'm not sure the plants smell. They're going, man. There it goes.
Here you go. Come on, vlogger.
I got you.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 4. I brought my spear. Yeah, this is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock we started this one.
What time is it, man? What time is it? Take a look at your mobile phone.
I'm recording, I can't.
Ah.
Unless I stop.
Stop recording.
I look when I get to the car. Let's go. Keep walking.
How long did you record for now?
Don't worry about it.
Please, tell me.
Bye, Jake. We'll see you over there. Keep going.
Take care.
Bye. You stay on the trail. You'll find us again. I promise. Trust it. Trust it. I swear to God, Jake, you stay on the trail. You'll find us again. Stay on the trail. Alright, that's
You wanna hurt? Don't you?
I found you guys! I found you guys!
You okay there, Junior? Good.
Yeah. Forest flies everywhere. Look, Jake, this is the trail. You should have trusted it. See? Look, you would have found us. Oh. Oh. He's down for a count twice. Third time's a charm. What's next? How many broken bones did you get today, Jake? None?
For now.
I know. That's why you're so tough.
I'm gonna be manly.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
Unless you break all your bones, you're not gonna be that manly.
Oh yeah, that actually did not hurt. Oh, he hurt.
He has protection.
I got a bruise right here.
And I got
Where at? Where the bruise at? A gente vai estar na praia relaxando. What's up?
If we go over there by the boats, will we get your car wet? Or no?
You gotta dry yourself after though. We can, but you're gonna dry yourself if you get wet.
Make it, do gently though. And you can make a full picture. Like a cappuccino. You can do it, it swirls. Yeah.
It's too hard. It's a very heavy stick.
I don't think I drive my...
You're just gonna drop the stick. Can I do it? Why, gosh, it looks disgusting now.
Wow, that looks cool.
DJ, what are you trying to do?
Wow, that's really thick foam.
Do you need a stick?
Yeah.
We gotta get you one. Brennan, what is that big stick that you had earlier?
We don't have that.
I think it's over here. Oh, I threw it into the woods.
If you drink fun, that would be disgusting.
Take it on my fingers, I take it on my friend. Go,
Wait,
go,
we
go,
don't-
go, go, go. Pa, 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 pa. I wanna be sedated. Pa, 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 pa.
Yeah, look at how good you're doing it, huh? You're doing nothing.
Let she play, Jenny.
Start splitting it. Like I do. Yeah, you have to splat. No, you know, it's just gonna reform. It looks like coffee.
Yeah. See how this... Ew, I want to do this. Ugh, I'm another stick.
I just throw it in. Throw that thing in.
I'm going to throw it right in the middle.
Oh! Did you record that? That was pretty cool.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Whoa, look at that. You're not even gonna see the stick much. You're just gonna think it's in more water.
What you guys doing?
Oh, let's go. Not much.
Let's go.
Really?
Keep walking.
I'm waiting
Don't
for
look at me. Don't look at me, man.
you. Yeah, I guess he's putting it on YouTube. I don't know.
Look forward. I gotta have to add the video later anyways. Come on.
Why is
Gonna
it
put on
so
my channel.
exciting?
Gonna put on my channel.
You have a channel? Then let's just record our video.
On my channel. You gotta look it up by my name.
Meadow.
Why? Do you watch YouTube, Madison?
Yeah, I'll say it.
Oh, so you're just like Junior.
There's a bike.
So just like Junior.
Let's hear him exploding. I'm trying to make fun. Yeah. Go me. I bet you $10.
That's how much I get paid every day. Yeah, work. That was all me. Hey, water
So guys, come on.
Stop aquatic hitchhikers. What does that mean anyways?
When like a piece of fungus or plant or bug attaches to your boat from another lake, you bring it here, it can be invasive to the water. And then it can ruin the ecosystem here and like take over and kill everything.
Recycle?
Yeah, fish hooks.
Oh.
And fishing line, I think.
No trash.
I have the same hat but it's different color.
Are we
What?
gonna go in the water? No, Jake, we're gonna go. Come on.
We're gonna head out.
I don't want to go.
We can swim when you get home.
Me too. Come on. Or you're not going to the beach tomorrow.
We're gonna swim tomorrow, come on.
Let's go.
We can swim.
No,
Yeah, let's go.
you're the one that said you wanted to
Oh,
leave.
baby, you.
What? You did?
Yeah, you did.
How do you call you?
Powden.
Powdy.
Powden.
You lied.
You liar.
Just make a little powder.
You're the one that said you were.
Wait, and where's the car?
It's right there.
What you doing?
That made the video a whole lot better.
Okay, I didn't catch that, sorry. I catch that? What's up, buddy? You doing okay? You're all wet. We have to dry it out before getting in the car. I got a towel right here for you. Alright, let's go get closer. Let's go. You got a towel. There you go. There you go, buddy. Yep, be careful. You got it. Gotta dry it up yourself. You gotta take the vest off. Hey, Jake, you gotta take the vest off. You need to take the vest off.
Can you hold this? I'm gonna do something.
Sure.
Funny. Can you hold
You gotta take the vest out, Jake. I can't.
Well, I'm just.
Almost there. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again, buddy.